actually recording your force gauge data? Today, an engineer with a computational physics background builds a custom monitoring app for the FGP5 force gauge using Claude Code, 0 lines written. The FGP5 by Nidec Shimpo is a force gauge used every day on the production floor. The display is accurate and reliable, but on its own, it can't log any data. You read the number by eye, write it down by hand, or snap a photo on your phone. There's no easy way to review trends later or build a report from the data. And if you think just connect it to a PC, most engineers don't know how to do that either. To get data from the FGP5 into a PC, you need a USB to serial adapter. The FGP5 communicates over RS-232C, so the connection path is FGP5 RS-232C cable USB serial adapter PC custom app. The protocol is simple: send a question mark, and the gauge responds with an ASCII number. Baud rate is 9600, 8N1 format. There's an official app called Toriman S from Nidec Shimpo. It's actually well-made, real-time graph, CSV export, stable communication. But here's the problem: the UI is completely fixed. You can't change anything. No dark theme. No font size adjustment. No way to pop the value into a separate window. For a factory floor, these things actually matter a lot. So the decision was to build a custom app. A white background is hard to read under factory lighting. Dark theme is a must. Numbers need to be large enough to read from a distance. And a one-button CSV recorder would make it ready for reports instantly. Here's what we're building with Claude Code. Real-time graph using Matplotlib. CSV recording with a single button press. Dark theme throughout. Font size control with A+ and A- buttons. And a separate window that shows the current value at 72-point font. Also a demo mode so everything can be tested without the actual hardware. Prompt 1. Build a real-time graphing app for the FGP5 over USB serial. Claude Code searched the spec sheet, created the project folder, and generated around 250 lines. Prompt 2. Add demo mode with simulated data. Prompt 3. Add connection test, font size controls, and CSV recording. Prompt 4. Pop the current value into a separate window, black background, green numbers. 4 prompts. 0 lines written. Here's the summary. 0 lines of code written by the user. Around 400 lines generated by AI. 8 features in total: serial comms, real-time graph, demo mode, connection test, font resize, CSV recording, sub-window display, dark theme. 4 prompts total. In this era, you can build the software you actually need yourself. Got an idea? Build it now. This is AI Gemba.